Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Smart Home Assistant using Alexa Guard, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Smart Home Assistant is plugged in and powered on. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Amazon account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap on the devices icon at the bottom of the screen. In the Devices tab, select Add Device. Choose the type of device you want. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your Smart Home Assistant in pairing mode. If required, enter the Wi-Fi password for your home network. Once the device is detected, tap on it to complete the setup process. Navigate to the Settings tab in the Alexa app. Scroll down and select Guard. Tap the Setup Guard option to begin the authorization process. Choose between away and home modes, depending on your preferences. Follow the prompts to customize your guard settings, choosing options like sound detection. Enable notifications to stay informed about what your Smart Home Assistant detects. After setting your preferences, tap Save to finalize your setup. Now, test the system by simulating an event, like a loud noise, to see if Alexa responds. If successful, you will receive alerts in the Alexa app. Congratulations, your Smart Home Assistant is now authorized with Alexa Guard and ready to protect your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.